Chrissy here. Thought I would do a boxing video on the Bodyguards. For those of you that order a coloured Bodyguard, well, one with a coloured accent, we've just sort of started getting valve caps for you, so hope you enjoy them. Do let us know what you think. So no point doing it with you if you're buying a black Bodyguard because it already comes with black. We give you fitting instructions and cleaning instructions and just a little wee sticker and some samples of the fabric, so if you want to test it for colour fastness or try cutting it or doing anything with it, they're there for you. You could actually patch something if, I don't know, you burnt a hole in it or something silly and boyish. And then, well, it sort of becomes like a burrito. We roll it up. Give you a sticker. Check the ends so they're not all folded over. Here's a mailing tube, nice and thick. Should deter any postmen or dogs. That fits in. Tuck that down. And then we just pop a cap on it, which I don't normally do up this high. And we've just started making stickers, so in here I know is a red EUC Bodyguard. And for those of you that are more comfortable watching an unboxing video, try this.